Hi and welcome to the video. I'll be showing some of the build processes for both the Artesania Latina and Okra models so far. As you can see, the AL model starts with planking the hull. We need to measure and mark 5mm from the top of the deck for the position of the first plank. I decided to measure the width of each plank so I could use duplicate sizes for each side. As you can see, there is quite a variation. First, I let the plank lay naturally on the hull. You can see here that at the stern, the plank needs to be bent upwards to sit on the line, as does the bow. As we work on both sides of the hull at the same time, I mark out both planks the same. Why do we work both sides? Well, there's two reasons. It keeps everything symmetrical. Also, if you work only on one side, you risk warping the frame, especially on thinner framed kits. Here you'll see I'm using an iron to shape the planks, as they need to go in an upwards direction to sit on the line. I'm not going to use a planking tool, as the planks are relatively flexible. Once you've shaped the plank, test fit it and then reshape if required. Once happy, you can then glue into place. I will do a full planking video of the Okra Palomas model if anyone is interested. I'm not sure whether to do just a video format or whether you would find it more useful if it was a live stream so that you can ask questions, and just whether that would be more helpful. Let me know, please comment below. Now onto the Okra model. With this model we start with the shaped bulwark. This is not going to be fun. Marking where the pieces need to bend. I think this part could have been cut to a better shape. because bending the bulwark here is going to be awkward. I've decided to glue this in 3 stages, starting from the middle. This is slightly awkward as there's only 3mm of surface to glue onto, and it's awkward to clamp into place. You can see here what I was talking about with the shape of the part. The bulwark piece has split because it goes upwards as well as around, and the shape of it's not quite right. As you can see, I've soaked this side to see if it makes life easier. Right. As you can see, I've fully planked the lower hull of the AL kit. I've primed it, as this also helps to highlight any imperfections, so I can go back and fill where needed before I paint. Previously mentioned, the planks for this kit are slightly thinner and more flexible. One thing to watch when planking on the AL model, if you apply pressure between the ribs when gluing, you could end up with indents where you're pushing the timber in, which you will need to fill later. It's not a big issue, but just bear that in mind. On the Okra kit, the bulwarks were not the easiest things to fix. Both bulwarks have split in the same place, so I stand by my comment. I believe they could have done a better job of shaping this part. The instructions ask you to apply the thin strips to the bulwarks prior to bending and gluing. I decided to leave this till afterwards, and I'm glad I did, because now at least I don't have to worry about the splits, because I'll be able to cover those up. As I said earlier, the next video I'm planning to do is the planking of the Okra hull. Now, would you like this as a video, or would you like it as a live stream? Again, please comment below. Thanks for watching.